In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to save video from Telegram to your gallery in iPhone. So let's get started. So here we are in Telegram and I'm currently in iPhone, and from here, you just simply want to go into the conversation where it contains the video that you'd want to save to your gallery. For example, I have this one right here. All I need to do is to long press on that video. And from here, I would now be able to see these options. So I just simply need to tap here on Save Video, and then it would now be downloaded. And as you can see, it says video saved to photos. So now I can go into my gallery and view this video and it will be there. Another option that you have is by pressing here on back. And then from here, you just simply want to go here into settings on the bottom right. And then here is that you would want to go into the data and storage, which is right here. Tap on that. And then from here is that you would want to go into automatic media download, wherein you can see your cellular, and then you have your Wi-Fi. So you could go into cellular, and then you could also auto download media, and this way you won't have to manually download them and they would be automatically be downloaded. But of course, the con here is that it would use your data, so it might have some bills if you have some data in your SIM or whatsoever. So that's the downgrade of this. And then you could also go for types of media to be downloaded. Right here you have these settings, and then you could also go back and go into the Wi-Fi. So same thing, you could go for data usage. For this one I can go high because it's a Wi-Fi, it doesn't have any limit. And then you could go for photos, stories, videos, and file as well to be automatically be downloaded. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.